Good morning. How about you? Did you sleep good? Did you sleep good? Jesus. Oh my goodness. Ah! Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys liked that little mini intro there. So for this week's Whatever Wednesday, it's going to be another vlog. I am going to take you through a few things that I did yesterday. They are a couple projects, but they aren't anything like single video worthy, so I decided I would share them with you anyway in this vlog format. Now, the first thing that I worked on was making my own DIY wreaths. I know that you can buy them pre-made, but I got the components to make my wreaths for really cheap. I got the garland from Michael's and the wire wreath forms from the Dollar Tree, as well as garland from the Dollar Tree that I used to tie the other garland to the wreaths. I hope that makes sense.
Merry Christmas!
Now, after I finished the garlands, I wanted to make them flocked because most of the things in my house right now are flocked, so I wanted just to continue that theme. So I found this Santa snow from Walmart, and it was really cheap. It was under $2. It was like $1 something. And I went ahead and sprayed the wreaths. Now, I actually really loved how they turned out in a visual sense, but I wasn't a super fan of the mess that came with them, because every time that you touched it even a little bit, it would come off in like this powdery substance. So it wasn't, in my mind, worth having the mess. I'm anti-mess most of the time. But my solution was to rinse off most of it and leave a little bit on there still, so it wouldn't rub off as much, but it would still have just a hint of flocking. After the wreaths were hung, I went ahead and started working on some DIY ornaments. I bought these clear hollow plastic ornaments from the Dollar Tree, and I wanted to make them a little bit more sparkly, and I actually had some like vase filler glass sparkly ness that I got from IKEA. I'll link it down below because they can describe it much better than I can. But it sparkles and I'm obsessed with it, so I went ahead and filled those ornaments with that. So after making the ornaments, the next order of business was for my husband and I to decorate our 2 Christmas trees that we have this year, since I don't have a big one. We're decorating the 2 little ones. I did not want to make them super colorful because I wanted to keep this Christmas theme in more of a neutral sense. So most of my ornaments are either silver or glitter or silver glitter. Yeah. But I do have some like old ornaments that have been in the family for a while, as well as some just like personal ones that we decided to add to the tree this year. If I could have a tree that was made up of holographic ornaments entirely, I probably would, because I am obsessed with everything that sparkles. So yeah, it's a weakness. Anyway, I hope you guys all like this video. I know it's a vlog and I'm trying to get better at vlogging. It's a learning process. I don't think that anybody's just born good at vlogging, so I'm trying. And if you're wondering, I know that this format is kind of weird. I keep trying to like film my face while doing things and like be a normal vlogger. But when I record with the camera in my hand and talking to the camera, the audio goes in and out and in and out and in and out, and it's terrible. Like you can't really understand what I'm saying. I talk quietly in real life and here normally, so it's impossible to understand me. So hopefully I'll be getting a new camera sometime in the future and I'll be able to, you know, vlog like a normal person. Anyway, I'll see you guys all on Saturday for another riveting DIY tutorial, and I hope you guys all have amazing weeks, and I'll see you on Saturday. Bye guys!